know like what is. Oh, okay, I'm just
I'm
sharing my screen.
recording the class, so I'll share with you also. So in future, whenever you like to go, you can go through that. Uh,
Post this.
bookkeeping
So
means just data entry.
okay, just a data entry. So data entry like
Entry in the sense without knowing the actual effect of transactions.
okay, without knowing the actual effect of the transaction. That is
Yeah.
what.
Like
Yeah.
you get a bill. What you
Okay.
do, you just record inventory bills.
Hmm.
You just feed up the data into the system, nothing else.
Got it.
Okay, but when you do accounting, in
Like.
accounting, you realize and recognize what is the effect of that transactions.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and accordingly, you work out like if you are doing only bookkeeping. So what you will do if you are getting insurance bill,
Hmm.
let's take a simple example. So you record insurance expense debit, vendor credit.
Okay.
But if you are accountant and reviewer, then you consider that period mentioned into that bill. If it is
Okay.
for 12 months, so what you do, you record that transaction instead of insurance expense, you post that under prepaid expenses
Okay.
and credit vendors.
Okay.
Then you add that amount and the vendor details
Mm-hmm.
along with the period in a prepaid schedule.
Okay.
Sorry, the task list which I shared with you,
Mm-hmm.
the prepaid schedule is available there in that Google Docs.
Okay.
Can you please open it so you can see that?
Okay. Share my screen. So like you have
That
told me.
Google Docs file.
So you have host has disabled the participant screen sharing, sir.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Sorry for that. Actually, I got what important message was just open that Google Docs which I shared with you.
Like this is the doc so that you have shared
Yeah.
me yesterday. So like the thing is that like I was working on it like as you have mentioned the yesterday task for me, but somehow I've been get stuck. So that's why I just share you the skipping notes there. Like
Don't worry.
what
Um,
action we
okay.
need to.
Just a minute. First of all, let's. We were discussing about the insurance and the task. Okay. So click on that prepaid insurance, the third tab. Okay. So this is prepaid schedule.
Okay, this is a prepaid schedule. Okay, got it, sir.
Okay, and you have to see the functions which are available. I mean the options what you have to. If you understand this now, so you you will get all the idea about prepaid schedule and prepaid expense how it works.
Okay. So, like they are saying me to do the bookkeeping. So in that bookkeeping, I have to do these kind of stuff, or like I have also seen that the some of the people are working on the QBD, like a QuickBook Desktop. What is that? Is
QuickBook
it?
Desktop, it's a first version of QuickBooks.
It's a first version of QuickBook.
Yeah, it was launched first. Only QuickBooks Desktop was there. The
Okay.
Intuit company,
Mm-hmm.
Intuit, the name of that company is Intuit. They first launched QuickBook Desktop.
Mm-hmm.
Everyone were using that, and considering the market demands and the scenarios and like to make software more user friendly, they have launched
Mm-hmm.
QuickBooks Online.
Got it.
And in QuickBooks Online, they have offer QuickBooks application also in Android and iOS.
Okay.
So seamlessly, any user can access their books from anywhere.
Okay. Got it, sir.
Okay, that was the thing. So
Okay.
QuickBooks Desktop, it has also the similar functionality available in QuickBooks Online.
Got
But
it, sir.
QuickBooks Online has more functionalities compared to desktop. The
Okay.
third-party tools integration, like a tax jar for the sales tax purpose,
Okay.
payroll for the ADP,
Okay.
paycheck, everything can be integrated with this. Apart from that, there are few review point softwares also available in a market, which can be
Hmm.
integrated in a QuickBooks online. One of my friend Hardik Mehta and his
Hmm.
team
Hmm.
has created Zanet, the software which do which is providing services to review your entire QuickBooks file for the finalization purpose.
Hmm.
And
Okay.
Hardik Mehta is my closest friend.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll show you and I'll get permission from him also to
Hmm.
install Zanet in our system to check the transaction and everything.
Got it, sir.
Okay, so those softwares are also available in the market.
Okay.
That is the reason people are moving from desktop to Windows.
Windows. Got it.
Okay, now let's get back to the here. See now, you are getting a 12-month Verizon bill.
What is okay? This comprise vendor name, and this
Yeah,
is the
yeah,
amount.
there's a vendor name, amount, payment date, and a period. Okay, so now
Okay.
they are getting 7,200 bill for
Okay.
annual for the entire year, and
Hmm.
we have to split them in a 12-month. So
Okay.
600 is their particular month expense.
Okay. Got it.
So what bookkeeper do? Who bookkeepers are doing? Prepaid whatever the expense it is, whether the telephone expense debit and
Hmm.
whether the AP credit. That's it. But the accountant, they check about the periods of transactions.
Okay.
Okay. There are steps for like bookkeeping, accounting, review, finalization.
Hmm.
Okay, in our
Like like first is bookkeeping, then the second step would be, sir.
accounting,
The second step would be accounting.
yeah,
Third step would be
review,
finalization.
review,
Third step would be review,
yeah,
and the fourth step would be
finalization,
finalization. Okay, got it.
right?
Right, sir.
And the job we can say it's a accounts executive,
Hmm.
then senior accountant, accounts officer, accounts manager.
So I just want to know, like, after learning this, like this sort of thing, so do we have or will get the opportunity in the Big Four, or like we have to be and get stuck in this
You will
KPI
be there for as a senior accountant or officer.
in the Big Four?
Yeah. Okay, you can apply. Even if you are going as a uh, accounts executive, okay,
Okay.
so you can take the chance. So
So,
because on
so
a base of your experience, you are gaining.
hmm.
Okay, so don't worry about it.
So I have one more thing I just want to
Yeah.
ask, like, when it come to my profiling. So, sir,
Mhm.
actually, I have a like account receivable sort of profile, and then the US accounting. Will it give add-on advantage to like whenever I just plan to switch some other organization, or like
See, Abhi, what I would say, uh, you are thinking too much. You are just doing overthinking, to be honest, for your career, just considering your career. What I would say, if the situation is not in your hand, just let it go. As of now, just focus on two things. As soon as possible, learn the QuickBooks, accounting, and the second one is just do your work with your high patience. Give your 100% to your work. Never compromise with that. Even if you feel that the company where you are just joined, it is
hmm.
not up to your expectation,
Hmm.
so it's okay. Just be practical. Sometimes we have to compromise with the situation. So you can
Okay,
consider this is just a situation where you have to compromise, and in this situation you are learning QuickBooks.
okay, sir. Got
Once
it.
you have it, then you will get good exposure and good chance, so don't overthink about it. Well,
Okay,
actually, what will happen? You think over like ज़्यादा overthinking करने से you make the wrong decision, right? So just as I told you in our last lecture, just pass the time.
got it, sir.
Everything gonna happen properly in your way. Okay, so
Okay.
let's just learn the QuickBooks as of now. Okay, so see here, when we bookkeeper do just record the expenses, and
Right, sir.
accountant's responsibilities are to check the expenses those are recorded properly or not. And bookkeeper what do bookkeeper what they are doing, they just post the transaction, and accountant check all the document and the transaction is it done properly or not,
Right, sir.
right? And a reviewer when they do monthly closing and everything, they check this transaction are they recorded properly or not. And
Got it, sir.
when during the finalization, accounts officer or manager do the review again of
Okay.
entire books to make sure everything is perfect.
Okay.
Okay, so this much accuracy level is going in US industries.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so
This is the split that has been mentioned. Like
yeah, it's just a
hype zone,
split.
hype zone is there, and the split is there. Like it's like the monthly expenses is being get mentioned there.
Yeah,
Like
monthly expense we have to recognize. That's it. There's a
that.
prepaid expense, nothing a big one.
It is the like the prepaid expenses that is being.
Yeah, it's a prepaid expense.
And
Okay.
so, say suppose that, so if I have to record this prepaid expenses in the QuickBook, that's the main task of, right?
Hmm. Right.
Okay, got it.
Now, show me your query. What they were. Let's go with them.
So actually, my query is, so when it come to the undeposit, no,
That
like
account is already there.
so actually I was get stuck there. So
Have- When when you stuck there, just जो भी query आती है उसे साइड में कर दो.
so I was just like completely get baffled, right? Because like suppose if I was thinking that I have to go with the sequence manner. So is it required like whatever the you have mentioned, like chart of account, in the
No,
chart of
see,
account, is it essential to go with the sequence manner, or like we can go from like anywhere?
you can go with anywhere. See, you can go with anywhere. No need to go in this much detail. And for the undeposited funds, no
Okay.
need to create multiple accounts. There should be only one account.
Okay, there can be only one account for a single
Yeah, and that is already available in chart of account. Okay, so just close this. You can close
account.
the window. Okay,
Okay.
and
Okay.
you can confirm the chart of account into that.
Okay. Inventory asset.
That is also available.
Okay.
Okay,
Right.
prepaid also available. Employee advances. This is not available. See,
Okay.
inventory. When you say inventory assets, okay, let's go with the inventory assets and do one thing. Just a minute. What you need to do rather than doing a tab like this, you have to just bring it down. Okay.
Yes, sir. All tab, no, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So you can. This is the easiest one. Now you are going with inventory assets. Okay. Let's see here the inventory.
Okay.
Okay. Now save and close.
Got it. Got it, sir.
Okay. Now create a next one. So you have to skip that. If you are not able to do that, you have to just skip and move again. Move forward.
Okay, got it, sir.
You have to create all this when during your practices, okay?
Okay. So
Okay.
I just want to know one more thing. I have
Yeah.
one bit of
Uh-huh.
doubt. Like mm, let me show you some. Like this is the thing. Say suppose an investment and other.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just taking a hypothetical situation where, like, say suppose that uh, I'm pasting the inventory name here.
Mm-hmm.
Then the account type would be other current asset.
Yes, right.
Like how it's taking like allowance for the bad debt, like how it's like getting these thing get
Yeah. Allows for bad debts. Okay.
yeah,
Let me
right.
explain. First of all, you know what is allowances for bad debts?
Like I know about the what is the bad debt, what is the provision for bad debt, in which accounting standards been get covered, like
Okay.
for the
Now, see, we have already, we always we have a negative balance in this account,
okay.
right? Because when we record the bad debts, so bad debts debit,
Hmm.
allowances for bad debts credit,
The bad debt account debit allowance to for yeah,
right?
yeah.
Now, even though it is our current assets, and still it is showing in negative balance,
Okay.
because it is the part of accounts receivable.
How you get you know that it's a part of account receivable, how we can identify that?
Accounts receivable, see, account receivable means customers' payment which we have to receive. Just
Hmm.
example, uh, accounts receivable has 10,000 balance. Out of them,
Okay.
10% is bad debts. Okay. So
Hmm.
we are recording bad debts
Hmm.
as 1,000 and allowances for bad debts. We have to
Hmm.
reduce our actual year because we are recording our bad debts. Okay. So at that
Okay.
time, what will happen? Allowances for bad debts will have balance minus 1,000.
Okay.
So what is the net of accounts receivable? That is 9,000.
Okay.
This is the part of accounts receivable. It is just showing over here. Okay, but other current assets, so investment, here you can see the investment others.
Okay. So will it come under the investment, or like will it come under the like the
No, no, see what I'm saying. Let me show how it works. You can assign this is like this also, or you can go with account receivable. Account receivable also our current assets.
hmm.
Okay, so you can go here and you can use this account instead of that account. You can use this account also. So how it looks like? See, this is your account receivable
Right, sir.
and provision for bad debts. Account receivable will have 10,000 plus, but this account will have 9,000, 1,000 minus. So net of in balance sheet, you can see 9,000 only. 10,000 we need to collect, but one out of that 9,000, 10,000, 1,000 is not supposed to come. We
Got
have
it.
provision for them. Okay, and so net of is 9,000.
Like account receivable, like a bad debt account debit to account receivable.
Yeah, kind of. But we are showing them as a separately. That is the reason we are showing them. We need to show them in a balance sheet separate. That is the reason we are using this account.
Okay.
Okay.
So one more thing,
Yeah.
like in this the 3 month of the journey with you,
Hmm.
like so I would like learn end to end the thing, like from
Yes.
bookkeeping for like accounting,
Hmm.
then reviewing and the finalization.
Yes.
So like, so I have seen that you have mentioned the like some sort of certification. So
Mhm.
like three certification is there, like QuickBook Pro, and the QuickBook.
QuickBooks Pro Advisor certificates.
Okay,
Okay, you need to give exam. There are three attempts. Okay,
okay.
online exam, and you can have it. You can see the options here.
Okay. So it's like a beginner, na sir. I'm into the beginning stage, no?
Yeah, you are into the beginning stage. Okay, Pro Advisor Academy. So we are going here once you complete your 2.5 month training.
Okay. Then I have to give this examination.
Then you have to give the exam.
Okay, got it. Got it.
Okay.
As of now, it's not required.
Yeah, as of now, it's not required. I'll let you know whenever it is required, and I'll let you know. So don't worry.
Okay, got it.
Okay. So let's go with the your chart of account.
What I have to do, sir?
Please open the chart of account, and you have to record the rest of the accounts.
Like this one, like in this way.
Yeah. Okay. You have to create all these accounts,
Okay, 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 okay.
and if you can do this after the class, so that would be better. Then we can go
Okay,
with the customer center, the first
okay,
file which I shared with you.
okay, okay. So like after this class, I will record this and I will
Yeah.
share you the update over the WhatsApp.
Yeah. Please. So in that way, we can cover as soon as possible everything.
Okay, okay. So which tab I have to go, sir?
That customer center, I shared PDF files with you, if you remember.
Hmm, which video files? Over the WhatsApp or like over the phone?
Uh, Through email.
So this is the email, sir. Like a document checklist and like this is the email that I have got from you. And like if I have to open this, so and this is the thing is getting open.
You have more files below this. Open your email.
Okay, like where?
There should be another email also. Don't you get it?
I have only this email that I have received from sir.
That is what's your email ID?
Abhishek AR Singh 2950 at the
Only
rate of
it's
gmail.com.
breaking.
50 at the rate of gmail.com.
Tell me, WhatsApp me. Or voice is breaking now.
So just share you the email ID over the
Got it.
phone.
Got it. And whenever you are stuck up with any kind of query, and if you're not getting reply, so just move on with the next task
Okay,
or next work.
got it, sir.
Now your actual journey is start to learn QuickBooks. As of now, you just did start of accounts, but now
So,
you get all the ideas. Please open that.
I have not yet received email, sir. Got it, sir. Customer center.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, these are the transactions, and you can see download it. First of all, download that PDF file in your local drive.
Got it, sir. Yes, sir. Like how to handle each of these tasks in the
Yes,
QuickBook.
you have to
Create a
record
customer
all the.
and new account. Is my screen visible to you, sir?
Just a minute. Yeah, your screen is there now. You can see. Uh, there are various transactions into this where you need to create new accounts. You have to create customer account. You have to edit customer accounts. You have to merge them, raise invoice, raise credit notes.
Okay. So like,
Credit note, payment receipt, create statements, sending emails, sending reminders, payment terms. Each and everything is there.
retail customer. Okay. Invoice. Okay. Can I read this one by one or like,
No need to read. You have to record all these transactions.
okay, I have to record all these
Yeah.
transactions.
Let's start with the recording transaction. No need to read them.
Okay, 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 okay. Okay, okay, sir. Got it. So how we can,
From here, you can go to the customer. Please open your QuickBooks file. May you bring it down. First, you bring it down this. Sorry. Keep this PDF file separately.
yeah, I keep this file separately. I will make a photo on it. Yes, sir.
And
New.
did you get customer center on the left side? See here, sales and expense.
Okay.
Sales means customer.
Sales means customer.
Yeah, right. These are customers.
Okay.
Sales means customer. Customer means accounts receivable.
Okay. Sales means customer and customer is an account receivable.
Right. And expense means vendor. Vendor
Okay.
means accounts payable.
Okay. Sales means customer and expenses means a vendor.
Right. Okay.
Okay.
AR, DB, AP. When I say AR and if AR means accounts receivable, AP means accounts payable.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
You
Okay.
will used to with these words in just 2 or 3 sessions, so don't worry.
Okay. Okay. Got
Now
it.
you have to go with the customers.
Okay, sir.
You can see here to create a customer's account. The task
Okay.
of account.
Okay.
Okay. Now see from here add customer menu.
First, we have go to the customer. Like, it's for the which
This
sir?
window come. This window comes once in a while. Once you create one customer, then you will not see this window.
Okay, sir. Can you please show me this window once again, sir? Where? How do you?
Just an introduction video, nothing. Introduction.
Okay.
That must. Also, you can see how it works. If you
Okay.
go with any kind of tutorial, so you can go here then pro advisor and training.
Okay. So like you how to add a customer, like have you gone through like the sale or you have gone through the expenses? If we have to onboard the customer, so like how we can onboard that?
First of all,
That's my question.
when we say customers, so always sales is there,
Okay.
not expense. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
expense.
It's not being related with like the sales or like expenses when it comes to the customer.
No, customer. When you use customer, that means that is always related to the sales. When
Okay.
we are doing a business,
Okay.
to to whom we are selling our goods or services, so they are
Uh-huh.
customers.
Okay. Got it.
ओके, हम कुछ भी अगर करते हैं, अगर हमारी कंपनी है, देन वी आर सेलिंग एनीथिंग टू एनीवन, सो दे बिकम आवर कस्टमर, सो कस्टमर ऑलवेज रिलेटेड टू सेल्स।
Okay. Got it, sir. Got
और
it.
हमारी कंपनी के लिए हम कुछ भी परचेज करते हैं,
Hmm.
तो दैट बिकम्स आवर एक्सपेंस। या
Okay, sir.
एसेट्स हो सकता है, या तो फिर रेगुलर ऑपरेटिंग एक्सपेंस हो सकता है, या तो
Hmm.
इन्वेंटरी हो सकता है। बट वॉट एवर यू परचेज फ्रॉम द पर्सन, दे आर आवर वेंडर।
Okay. Got it, sir.
तो कस्टमर मीन्स सेल्स, vendor means expense.
Okay.
Now here we have to add one customer. Okay, open that PDF file, and from that PDF file you need to create it. It is open in last step, so you just make it separate.
No, actually, the thing is, what is happening now? I'm just getting one.
Let me make it separate for you. To make separate, what you need to do, you just need to click here and bring down. Okay, so that becomes separate window. Got it?
Got it, sir.
Okay, now alter tab, you can use alter tab.
Okay. The customer name is John Dio.
Hi, John Doe.
John Doe. John Doe. Last name. Okay. John Doe. Okay. Create a new customer account with the initial balance of zero.
Zero.
Sign up with the go to the sales customer, click a new customer, enter the John Dio.
So in every transaction, you will get this kind of instruction. So you can do this yourself also.
Okay. So, sir, I have mentioned the customer name, a first name John Dio. Customer display name is John Dio. What would be the company name? I have to put.
No need to write.
Okay. Any email ID, mobile number,
No, we
or
don't have anything, so we don't have to do anything. What they have said, they said create a new customer with a balance of zero. Okay.
okay,
So these are the options in customer center.
okay,
Six types of options. Now, for the name contractor, they have mentioned balance zero. Okay.
okay,
So under the payment here, opening balance zero. Got it? Just create save. So we will have a new customer when center here now.
hmm, John Dio. Okay, got it. So, like when it come to the practical world,
Yeah.
so whatever the is it like will it be there like there would be some sort of opening balance that the customer are having?
In that way, we will have trial balance from particular companies. And
Hmm.
when we have trial balance, so at the time, not only with balance with the customers, also balance with the vendors, balance with the fixed assets, balance with the equities, balance with the return earning. Okay, so different kind of balances are there. So if we are
Okay.
getting balances, so we can mention here also.
Okay, if I have to mention those things, so how we can mention that? Say, suppose that in the second instance, like there is a customer name is James Smith. Okay, and I have to create like here nothing is mentioned. There's nothing is mentioned for the opening balance. So Like
How
how
to
to do
create opening balance? So we have to follow only that instruction which is mentioned into that. Now we don't have Jane Smith, but the system says we have to edit their contact number. So what we have to do? We have to create new customer and add mobile number.
like customer, new
Yeah,
customer.
right.
What is the name? James Smith. James Smith. James Smith. James Smith. Okay. And what is mentioned that James Smith phone number. Okay. Added the phone number. This would be the process. Okay. If the
Yeah,
billing if the billing address would be there, I need to mention the billing address. If
we
any
have
no,
to edit. If we don't have, then no need to edit. We have to just keep it.
okay, then I have to say,
Then go with the next.
okay, the third customer is ABC Crop Corporation. Okay.
Now we don't have ABC Corporation, but they are saying make it inactive. Okay, you have to create ABC Corporation first.
That's for ABC Corporation. ABC Corporation. The company name is ABC Corporation. That's it. That's it. No, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Create a customer group called retail customer. Retail customer. New customer. Retail customer. Here, done. Retail customer. Retail customer group.
Just a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. Just go up. Okay, what you have done? Show me the QuickBooks file.
Yes, sir. This is the retail customer
No,
group.
no, not like this. Not like this. See, for the ABC Corporation, the first one.
Yeah,
For
this.
ABC Corporation, they have said make the account inactive. Is it?
Mm-hmm.
What is saying? Make the account inactive? What's the task for the ABC Corporation?
So
Delete the account.
create
Delete
an edit.
customer account for ABC Corporation. Okay, so you have created it.
Okay,
But they are saying delete it. So just go with the QuickBooks file.
got it. So
You
got
have
it.
to make inactive from here. Got it?
Acha, are you sure you want to? Yes, make it inactive.
Yes,
Got it.
you have created, but you have to do it. Now this both are wrong.
Okay.
Just make both of them inactive.
Retail customer group now. So the which
I
one?
want to-
Retail customer. James Smith, ABC group, and the retail customer. Enter the retail
तो वीडियो भेज दूंगा मैं भी क्लास में बाद में बात करते हैं ओके
customer group. Enter the click and save.
now see go with the QuickBooks. Let me show you how to do it. Don't worry, I'm showing you. You have created this, okay, but both these are wrong. So what we are going to make them inactive. Both of them we will make inactive. They will ask us to create customer group, okay, not the customers.
Okay.
They both are different things. So when you go over here,
Mhm.
How we come here from customers. Okay, when you click on it, so we are on this window. Got it?
Got it.
So here you can see customer type.
Okay.
Okay, here you have to create a retail group.
Retail group.
Yeah, that fourth and for the task which you have. Now here you can see new account type. Now
Okay.
create here retail group.
Retail customer group. Save.
Okay, to save it.
Retail customer group. Got it. Okay. Then what about the retail customer? Click the new group. Okay. This is also a new group.
That you have already created, right? Now what the next one is assign customer. Oh, no, 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 just wait. Assign customer John Doe to retail customer. Okay.
Acha,
Now
acha.
go to the customer center and open that what we say John Doe. Okay. You have created the customer types. Now you can see customer types here, but when
Don't.
that means a John Doe, hit on edit. This one edit, yeah. And here you can see the customer type which you have created recently.
Okay.
And you should not write like this, say groups. You need to write only retail customers. Okay,
Got it, sir.
just to save it. And now let's go to amend that. Customer types, you can see here. Let's edit them and this like this. Okay.
Got it, sir.
And now where we can see this, we have created this customer type means when we need to create a group of customers like retail customers, wholesale customers, customer for the specific product or customer for the specific location.
Hmm.
Okay, so that is the reason we are using this option. Now, when you click on settings and customer type, right? The which
Okay.
one? Now you can see here you can see the customer, retail customers.
Okay.
Right? So in order to figure out the type of customers, we have this option. Okay. Now, can you do rest of the transaction by yourself? Just think
Yes.
about it and don't be in a hurry. Just think about it, what it is saying, and just follow the steps. Now, what is say the above one? Create recurring
Okay.
invoice for customer Jane Smith for 100 per month for website maintenance. In this case, there are three things which you have to notice.
First is the
Who is
name.
the
Name.
customer? Then,
Jane Smith. Jane Smith is already there.
okay, now
And
what is the type of service? So that there is website maintenance.
website maintenance.
And is this regular invoice or recurring invoice? So it's a recurring invoice. Now let me explain you the difference between recurring invoice and a regular invoice. Recurring invoice means it is coming by the specific time of period. It can be every week, it can be every month, it can be after quarterly, it can be half yearly also, or it can be yearly also. Just like a subscription or anything you can consider. So here you have to create one invoice and it should be recurring invoice. Okay, so what are the steps they are offering? Just go down and see the steps. Sign into QuickBooks Online, you already there. Go to the invoice, already there. Create a new invoice, you know the Jen Smith and under website manager, make recurring. When it says click make recurring, so you need to see where that function is. Okay, now do one thing, just go to the Jen Smith. Okay, then they have mentioned new transactions on a green button. Yeah, on a green, yeah, invoice. Okay, from here you can record multiple transactions for the particular customers. And the same kind of window you can see in vendors also. So when we do vendor center, you that would be more easy for you. Now see here, uh, everything is mentioned like customer name, their email ID,
Yes.
terms, invoice date, invoice number. This is auto generated. This is our question. That's fine. Then tag. I'll explain you later. It is that's not a stage as of now. Service stage. This is for the deferred revenue. I'll explain. Did I explain you what is deferred revenue?
No, sir, you haven't
Okay.
explained. You
See,
have mentioned.
I'll explain you also that later on. Now, these are product and services. Product and services means this is the part of inventory.
Mm,
You can't see this account in chart of account.
okay.
Okay, both are separate module. Chart of accounts has GL, which you can see in balance sheet in profit and loss account. And product and services, it's a part of inventory.
Mm,
Well, inventory has their own name also. Services has their own name also.
mm,
Right? Like I'm providing IT services or
mm,
like software installation services. So there's a part of my name of my service. But in profit and loss, it can be just like a sales. So we have whatever we create under product and services, we have to link that account with any GL of chart of account. Okay, so from here we create your add a new. The name is website maintenance. Okay, from here we are creating, and now you can see how many options are there. Total three options. Basic info of product,
mm.
sell if we sell. So what we need to mention the price and description, and if we purchase from somewhere else, so we have to mention this also. Okay, but if you have not purchased, then just close it. Now enter the basic info, website maintenance.
Website maintenance. अच्छा, maintenance.
NENCE. Let me write it down. And there are three type of items. Either it is service or inventory item or non-inventory item or bundle item. Service means the website maintenance. It's a services. There is no hardcore selling. Inventory item is
Mm,
hardcore selling, right? The hard product. Non-inventory item means it is not related to either the service or inventory. And bundle item means more than one items we are clubbing together and we sell them. So that's becomes bundle items. So here we have to select category. If it is not, then you can create a category like IT support. Everywhere you will get this kind of options where you can add new account or new inventory account. Okay, now on this description, just website maintenance. Now here see income account. This is the chart of account GL. You remember you have created all this prepaid access,
अच्छा,
right?
okay. This is the chart of account which I have created.
Yeah, right. So what you need to do, you need to link up this product or services with any income account.
Okay, but how we can relate that this website maintenance fall under which category? Like in the chart of account.
Yeah,
Like
you have to set now. You have to set from here. You have to set from here. See, this is services and this is under income.
okay,
You can see your income. Okay. You
okay,
can relate it. You can create a relationship between them.
okay. Got it.
It will just a kind of relation. So whatever you post now under the website maintenance, that will go under service in profit and loss account. Got it?
Got it. Got it, sir.
What's the amount?
Amount was 100 per month.
100. Okay. You just
Yeah.
write it down for 100. 100. Okay. Just a minute. Please write it down. Please write it. Now, this is we are creating simple invoice, okay? But as per the task, we have to create recurring invoice. Where you can see the function at the bottom center. Can you see make recurring?
Make a recurring, right, sir?
Okay. Yeah. So you have to schedule this transaction. Now it you can see that is recurring invoice. Okay. Template name this one, customer this one, monthly. We are going to say this on a daily basis, every day, start date, today itself, and by after 3 days. We can just for our knowledge. Okay, after 4 days, this is gonna. So every day you will have one invoice automatically. No need to uh record manually. So you have saved this template. So you see, we haven't recorded any sales, and that is the reason it is showing zero. Okay, we haven't recorded any invoice, but we have created a recurring transaction, which is gonna be posted today onwards. What they will do, they will raise every day $100 invoice, and we can see that here.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so these are part of transactions, recurring, and from where you can see all the list of recurring transactions. So here, okay, because see, these are single customer, but obviously we'll have more customers also. So at that time, we have to see this.
Got it, sir.
So then, you will continue with your more transaction. Whatever you can do, you just do it. Either it is wrong or right. Don't worry about it. If it is wrong, then we'll rectify it. So you'll realize, okay, this was wrong, and we can do this like this.
Okay.
We can
So
rectify.
like, okay,
Yeah.
my task would be like the whatever the chart
You
was
can complete
already.
chart of account today itself.
Yeah,
Eh?
I have to create that, and whatever the PDF you have shared, I have to add those customer
Yes.
what has been mentioned.
What other transaction we can do? Please do it.
Okay.
Okay.
And you are mentioning about the classes. Like tomorrow, do we have a classes?
Yeah, tomorrow and tomorrow. What's what time actually? There's a 9, no?
It's like 6:30 p.m. to like 3:30 a.m. in the morning.
Okay, your job time.
Job timing, I'm saying, sir.
Okay. Yes. So 12. We can. You can join at 12:30 to 2
Okay, I
tomorrow,
can.
right? We
Okay.
can do it. Let me see who is there in 12:30 to 2 tomorrow. Tomorrow is the is it Thursday, Wednesday? What is it?
21st was my first day. Like I have joined like
No, no,
today.
no. What is I am talking about? What is the day tomorrow? It's a Thursday, right?
It's a Thursday,
Yeah,
sir.
Thursday. Okay. So Thursday. Uh, okay. 12 to 12:30. Mohit Pathan will be there. Abhishek. Okay. Yeah. 12 to 12. Tomorrow. 12 to 12:30 to 2 p.m. That's your regular time
Okay,
by the alternate days. Okay. This was the today was the additional lecture.
got it, sir. Got it, sir.
Okay then, let me go to the office now and we'll connect tomorrow by 12:30. Till then,
Sure.
please complete all the transactions and everything. Okay, and I'll share this video as soon as I'm uploaded on YouTube.
So like, will I get this video like today itself or like tomorrow?
Yeah,
Like,
today you will have it. Today you will have it. Actually, the previous one is on uploading process right now. So once it is done, then I'll upload this and you will have it.
okay, okay, okay.
Okay, then,
Got it.
then thank you.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Take care, sir.